I will demonstrate how to do autoboxing and how to do unboxing. Okay. So first, let me give one example of the autoboxing and unboxing. Okay. Now here you see I have two normal variable. That one is the integer E5 and B10. They are the primitive data type. Primitive data type, that type of variable, that one is the integer. Now I want to do autoboxing of this one. Here you see integer class. This one is the wrapper class and object of the integer class AOB, where I directly assign my the variable A. So this is the one procedure of the autoboxing. Now here I want to print the value of the normal primitive data type variable. That one is the A. And here I want to print which one I autoboxing of the variable A. Directly these two variable I will print. Now I want to comment and this one. Sorry, this one I want. Okay. Now I will explain this one. Yeah, sorry, this one I will show you the output. Compiled and successful compile, and now you see the output of the this two variable. This is a normal integer variable, and this one is the autobox variable, which one I make it as the object of the integer class. Here, A and AOB, these two variables value, you see both are the 5. Here, next, here you see there are two more procedure to do the autoboxing. How to do? This one you see same integer class object AOB, and here I will use one function of the integer wrapper class. That one is the value of. Then within this value of method I will pass the primitive data type variable A. This is the one more procedure to do the autoboxing. And here also one more procedure, that one same the integer class object AOB. There directly you can set the variable. These three procedure, any one procedure you can do, you can follow to do the autoboxing. Now next one is the unboxing. What is the unboxing? Unboxing is just the reverse procedure of the autoboxing. Clear? Here you see this one is the object of the integer class, and there I directly assign one value. And now how to do the unboxing? This one integer normal variable, and there object of the integer class dot int value. Int value is the method to do the unboxing, and int which one you called through the object of the wrapper class. Clear? And here is the integer class dot value of is the method to do the autoboxing. Clear? Integer class dot value of, and this one is the object of the integer class, then int value. Int value to do the unboxing of the integer class, int float to do the unboxing of the float class object. If you want to do the for the double class, you can use the int double. Any one procedure, any one method you can choose which type of variable you want to do the unboxing. If it is a float type variable, you have to choose the integer float. If you want to choose the double type of variable, then you have to choose the int double method. Any one you can choose. Now here you see I will print the variable I, and here I will want to print the value of the integer class object. Now you see what will be the output. Successfully compiled. Now here you see the output of the both are 10. Here you see which one I assigned with the value integer I, that one is the 10, and object of the integer class, that one both are the 10. Clear? And next one more procedure of the unboxing. Here is the integer I, that one is the variable of the primitive data type, and directly you can use the directly you can assign the object of the integer class, which one I use. So if I comment in this one, this procedure also of the unboxing, okay? Directly this one also you can follow to do the unboxing. Save it, compile it, successfully compiled. Yes, now you see the output, both are 10. Okay, Now, I hope all of you cleared the autoboxing and unboxing